Hi viewers, welcome back to the Black Label Photography and Films channel. Today I'm showcasing the very first SLR 35mm camera that I own. This is where Black Label Photography started. This is the Asahi optical company Pentax K1000. The first thing you notice about this camera is how much metal is in it. Fitted with a 50mm f2 Pentax lens, it weighed in at 763 grams. It is a total manual camera, although it does have a built-in light meter. There is no auto wind, so you took your shot and then manually wound the film on to the next frame. So you took your shot, manually wound the film on. I think this is one of the best cameras I have ever owned. It has done a lot of work. Everything from weddings, drag racing, football. So here we go, we can set our shutter speed anything up to 1/1000th of a second. See the X there on the hot shoe? You correspond that with the X on your shutter speed, and that's your sync speed for your flash. You lifted this outer ring up, and you would dial in the film speed. Using a combination of aperture and your shutter speed, you're able to get your light meter sitting pretty much perfect every time and get the right exposure. This is your rewind button. Pull the little tab up, pull it up, and you can open the rear door. And this is where a 35mm cartridge film would sit. We have an internally threaded shutter button, which we could put a remote into as well. Changing lenses was as easy as popping this little button, quarter twist, and off she comes. You can put the next one on very quickly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Always remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and always remember to say cheese. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the play button on your screen to subscribe. See you next time.